In this video, I'll show you how to build a SaaS app with Lovable. First, open your web browser and go to the Lovable website. Sign into your account and start a new project. Next, describe the SaaS app you want to create in the prompt box. Explain the purpose of the app, the main features, the target users, and the design style you want. You can include features like user accounts, dashboards, subscriptions, and settings. Now, click the Generate button and let Lovable create the first version of your application. Review the generated pages, layout, and functionality. After that, refine your app by asking Lovable to add new features, improve the design, connect a database, add authentication, or create additional pages. Finally, test your SaaS app, make any final changes, and publish it when everything is ready. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a SaaS app with Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.